What if I told you this scene from the new Stranger Things 5 trailer where the Demogorgon is bowing to Vecna is actually from season 1? Now, when I first saw this upon my first viewing of the trailer this morning, my initial thought was this is Vecna sometime after season 4 rallying his forces at the library. But then I thought about his new redesign and how it indicates he took time to rebuild his body after the injuries he had sustained at the end of season 4, and how in the library scene where the Demogorgon is bowing to him, he looks similar to how he looked at the end of season 4, meaning that scene cannot take place after season 4. Because if it did, his body would either have to look injured or look like it does here with the new redesign. Stay with me, because then I noticed that there's actually only one Demogorgon here and not several of them. And there's only one other time in Stranger Things where we saw a Demogorgon interacting with the library in the Upside Down, that being at the end of season 1 when Will Byers was found there. So I think this scene from the trailer could be one of two things happening during the events of season 1. Option 1, Vecna is saying at long last, because this scene is happening right after 11 has just opened a gate to the Upside Down for the first time since sending Henry Creel through a gate to Dimension X years prior, allowing him to finally enact his or the Mind Flayer's plan to take Will Byers from Hawkins into the Upside Down by way of commanding the Demogorgon to do so to make Will Byers a sleeper agent, thus paving the way for the Mind Flayer's long-term plan of terraforming the Earth to reshape it into something similar to Dimension X. Option 2 is that this scene is happening after the Demogorgon under Vecna's command has successfully brought Will Byers to the Upside Down, which would have the same end result, that being the Mind Flayer attempting to enter Hawkins and take over Earth in season 2, and when that fails, enacting the longer plan we start to see play out in season 3 and season 4, through which I believe the aforementioned terraforming plot could take place. But let me know what you think about this theory and follow me for more Stranger Things theories and content.